About 4 months ago, we began this WAMM program, walk around morning meeting. The first thing we had to do was identify the major categories that we felt would better help our efficiencies. That was our main goal, is try to improve our efficiency. There's about 40 or 50 items that we put up on the board, and we did the first of which was lean manufacturing. The second item was any item related to cost savings, which is sort of tied into lean, and that's why it's on the same side of the board. The third category was related to machinery, equipment, also machine efficiencies. The fourth item was anything related to the process, and that could be how we handle crates, carts, any movement through the warehouse. The final category was health and safety. This side of the board over here is just a drawing board for us. We use this to bring ideas to the meeting, and from here we transfer stuff over to the other side, to the proper category. Part of the to get started and to have a direction, you have to develop some goals. You have to have some sort of urgency. And our vision was, again, eliminate waste, increase profit. With that vision, there was also some urgency. Obviously, the economic crisis that we're in the middle of helped us to launch this program. There's a group of about 10 or 12 of us. And what we noticed, there's about 10 or 12 of us on this side of the board and on the green side. And there was roughly 210 people on this side of the board. And basically the 210 were untrained or unmotivated, if you will. So as I mentioned earlier, we were bringing the guest in, and we're trying to spread the word, eliminate waste and increase profit. Little by little, we've been moving these guys over to the other side, and on the top of this board, on the right side in green, it says trained, on the left side, not trained. This is an indication for us on who has been trained, who has sat through this meeting, who understands what it is we're trying to accomplish as a group, and what our goals. Everyone's focused, everyone's motivated.
Morning! Morning! How's everybody doing today? Great! Stretch out on our own.
Thanks for joining the group. Thank you very much for joining the group. Before we get started, I do want to recognize one individual. Yesterday we recognized Juan and Alfredo for fixing that air pocket problem on number 12. Rigoberto was also a big part of that team, so I want to thank Rigoberto. That are here, I'd like to welcome Gabriel from the rollout card, Nicolas from the rollout card, Uriel from shipping, Rudy from the third shift, he's our supervisor, Oscar, you're a regular. This is Ramon from material handling, Fernando from material handling, and Enrique also from material handling. Welcome aboard. A couple guests, Bill Mashing, welcome. Will, special guest, once a month or so. Who else? Anybody else from production, Joe?
I didn't think we would think.
Okay, couple major announcements. Alfredo, congratulations, became a U.S. citizen yesterday. Congratulations. Also, another special accomplishment, that's everybody in this room, but Ron especially, the entire 2008, not one single lost time accident. your groups and you got some information for the little boards. We'll review the big board now. Soon as I catch my breath. Holy smokes, it's getting tougher and tougher. Lit mixed greenhouse machine. I know we're working on that, Mike, but where are we with that? That's,
We yesterday took it off. The group basically came up with the decision that we know.
environmental sample area. I know I spoke with Ariel yesterday. John, you got any updates for me here?
What's the status on that? We have a plan to organize that, and we're gonna need more.
Oscar had a suggestion on this row of lights here. If we could put sensors on it. I wanted to get your opinion, Alfred. If we cut out, is there a way to shut those lights out without affecting the other lights, without the sensor? Javier and Uriel, both these guys are here. We started knocking out this project one step at a time. I thought this was going to take about a week. They did it in less than 24 hours. They moved all the wheels over to the axle area. They moved the axle back to the wheel area. They got all the cards lined up back there. They got the lids relocated. I mean, they've done an outstanding job. If you haven't had the chance to go back there, you need to go back there and see what we're doing. We're saving a lot of energy, a lot of time, travel, and distance, and it's all money. It's all waste elimination. So great job, you guys.
Here we have our safety and our quality board. Here on safety, we're just tracking some of the measurables that we use in the facility. We have lost time accidents with the little. Going over here, we have our quality board. This right here, it tracks all the products that's running from machine number 1 through 21. It'll give our standard cycle time, our actual cycle time, and any.
For the engineering side, we have KM11, which is an automation that we just put in. We put in a new SAPRO robot. Andres, the project engineer, is in charge of the PM checklist and the spare cabinet.
Essentially what we've got here is two goals that we've set for the team. One is good pounds produced, and the goal here is 9 million pounds of good product per month.
So we set a goal for the month of 1.7 million.
On this side, and we have projects that we're working on.
Where we have our transportation metrics, we track them on a daily basis. We look at 7 key metrics at this point: local on-time delivery, on-time.
Material there, 90%, you said? Yeah, 90%. I think that's a record for us for a day, isn't it? Nice job, guys.
Yeah.
Andre and I still teamwork. 1, 2, 3. Teamwork!